Hey everybody, welcome back. So, as y'all can see, I have some weird gumball things here or prizes out of a gumball machine. And I found a pretty unique one at a pilot on Interstate 40. And, it's probably a good little one, get kids, into collecting coins. But not the serious collector, more than likely. But however, I found it kind of cool and decided that I would get a few and see what was in here. So I'll go ahead and get started. If y'all wouldn't mind, go ahead and dropping a like and maybe subscribing, commenting down what you think about this. So let's see. I got a 1940 wheat leaf. Not too shabby. I like it. Go ahead and put it back in here. And let's see, what's the next one? This one is a 1956 wheat leaf. Now I like the idea of this little coin collecting gumball machine. Go ahead and go with the other penny here. Let's see, what do we have? Is that a 1936? Ooh, I like it. Oops. That was pretty neat. Okay, and to the nickels. Let's see, come on. Try not to break the little containers here, little eggs or whatever. So it's a buffalo nickel. And it's one of those ones, words aren't too high on it. It's worn down pretty good. What is... Well, I might have to get my eyeglass out later to see if maybe I can find the date on that. Still neat though. Gotta wonder where that nickel's been. Got another one here. This one's worn down just as much. Oh well. Still cool. Well, that was it. Hope y'all enjoyed my little coin gumball prizes. And I guess I will see y'all next time.